In this video we'll show you the easiest and quickest way of making a small PVC board by just using a 3-inch PVC pipe. Here we have the 3-inch pipe and it's 8 inches long. You see we've cut it down the middle there as well. And we're going to make the board flat like this. And if you stand by, first of all you need to have a heat gun like this one, and a piece of timber or lumber if you like, and also a flat board like this. So we'll just put the lumber there, we'll get the pipe, 3-inch pipe, and just turn the heat gun on. And this time around I'm going to do it in actual time so you can actually see what I do while I'm heating this pipe, and also give you an idea of actually how long it actually takes to heat and flatten out. So I'm just sort of feeling it. It's actually already pliable, but you have to flip it around. So, okay, I'll just turn it around, and then you let it heat. Just put where the seam is. I find if you just put it on the bottom, that way it seals it up, but heats a little bit quicker. Okay, now yeah, it's very pliable now. Now what I'm going to do now, you can see how it's lapped over. That's not very heated up, so I just folded it inside this time, and then put the heat gun into it again. Okay, I'll just turn it around. It's very, very hot now, as you can see. So okay, now I'll turn the heat gun off. Just lay it out, you can see it's nice flat. Get the board, put it on, and 30 seconds later we'll take it off, and there's the finished product. Nice flat board. Now I hope this helps anyone that just wants some PVC boards like this. It doesn't take that long to do with minimal tools. And I suppose, well, that's about it.